Welcome to the in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So here you can see that we got the USB cable, the charger brick, and inside of this paper box we got the SIM jack tool and the protective silicone case. And unfortunately we have no here any adapters, so you should buy the adapter separately if you want to use it with the earbuds, and earbuds you also should buy separately because we have no here any earbuds inside of our box. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.